important is complex syntax for academic success?
So I always have my students try to have a conversation with somebody else without complex syntax, with simple sentences, and it becomes a really horrible conversation. I've never asked them to explain a complex or even like a science experiment. Maybe I'll do that today in class. So I just say to them, talk about what you did yesterday, but you can only use simple sentences.
I love that.
And then clearly, when we look at writing, those kids in fourth grade that are just using simple sentences, the teachers are marking them down.
Mm-hmm.
And the worst thing I think that can happen is that when children don't have that complex syntax, the teachers make a judgment that children are less smart than they are, which, as we all know, people make judgments about people's intellectual capacities from their language skills. Then I think that children who we think don't have receptive language difficulties, that their difficulties lie mostly or totally in expressive language. I think that when they get to school and are having to read text that is more complex than what you would encounter in spoken language, that's where we start to see some receptive language problems.